We are truly honored by the presence of our VIP guests. We are here privileged to have amongst us Shri Fagan Singh Kulaste ji, former Minister of State for Rural Development and Steel of India in the Government of India, Member of Parliament, Mandla, Madhya Pradesh. We will begin the ceremony with lighting the lamp. May I request our dignitaries to kindly come forward. Shri Fagan Singh Kulaste ji. Now it's time to begin the India's Top Brand of the Year Awards 2025, which aims to empower startups, manufacturers, SMEs, healthcare, pharma, education, real estate and professionals to develop into brands. Institute of Marketing and Management, New Delhi. And the award is for Most Preferred B School providing global exposure. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcoming on stage Professor Smita Lal, Dean IMM, Business School, and Mr. Mukul Kumar, the Director Admissions, and Professor Megha Mathur, Head of Academics. IMM, it's a premier educational society, took birth with a vision to spread the gospel of marketing and management education in India.
My name is Pradeep Sharma. I'm asked to some question only, and tell me about your organization, ma'am.
Okay, very happy to be here at this particular gathering. It's a wonderful gathering and very excited to be here. My name is Professor Smita Lal. I'm the Dean at the Institute of Marketing and Management.
Great.
We are a 56-year-old management institution in the south of Delhi, and we have students who are AICTE approved from PGDM.
Great.
Now, the uniqueness about our institute basically is that we don't just give an education, we try to give whatever is most relevant and to the point, as well as an experiential angle to the students, so that when the students pass out from us, they not only take academics, but they also take with them the knowledge of what is it to be experientially inculcated into the corporate world. So this means that we have a lot of assignments, we have a lot of internships, a lot of on-the-job trainings. We have people from the corporate who come in and join in with us and teach us and talk to our students and explain to them what the corporate world is all about. We of course teach them all the time, but then when somebody from outside comes and speaks, it's always there. These are some of the things that we have been doing. We've also integrated AIML into our curriculum. So the curriculum now, because the time has changed, today's generation wants to learn AI, wants to know about more of all of these things. And this is also the thing that is being incorporated into the corporate world. So we have AIML infused courses. Each subject has all of that, with data analytics, understanding how do you deal with all this data that is coming, so that you can make better decisions.
So it's a future plan, or you are?
This is something that's happening currently. This is what we are doing. This is how we are training. So if you have a class, let's say, of marketing and management, we also put in something on marketing analytics. How is marketing analytics? I just took a course on branding and integrated marketing communication, and all my students gave me presentations based on AI. So I had to look at it and say for a moment, is this right, is that wrong? But the point is, this is what is the future. Now the question is, how do you use AI intelligently? How do you use it responsibly? How do you do it to be able to get a benefit for the future world, so that they can create value in the future world? It's not just about what is happening, and it's a fad. It's about how do you actually bring it into ethical morality and in a way forward that they will help them work in the corporate accordingly. So these are some of the things. With this, we've just put up a course on EU Global. EU Global is international. We have taught them specialization courses on AIML, where each of them they've done a 7-day workshop entirely for this particular thing. They will get certificates.
In Delhi or Pan India, ma'am?
They have done it, we have done it for our institute, our students. And this is an international organization, so we tied up with them. EU Global is from Germany and Malta. So it has a collaboration over Europe.
Yeah.
Now those people, when we are talking about that thing, they are giving us a certification to our students, which will be LinkedIn verifiable, which means that once they've done this course, which now they've just finished and they are getting their certificates, they will put it up on their LinkedIn profiles.
Yeah.
See, to make it more relevant to today's day and age.
Okay.
And with that, that certificate is verifiable. So if anyone were to click it, you are able to get back to EU Global, that is European Union,
yes, sir.
from where you can verify that this has actually happened. So we want to make it as authentic as possible for our students
Okay.
and for our management.
It's not an easy task, ma'am.
Hanji?
It's not an easy task.
It is not an easy task.
Yes, yes.
The very fact to put it all to place
Yeah.
takes a lot of understanding what is there, is this right for our students, is this the right way to do it, then to conduct it with them. So this is one of the experiments that we've done. We of course take our students abroad all the time. Every year they go to Dubai, they go to Malaysia. We have also taken them to London. The last batch we have taken them to London. A third element which we have
Yeah.
is that now we are getting a separate school which we are introducing in experiential learning,
Yeah.
only on experiential learning. This will be for students who will be just passing out of school, and to take them through only learning by hands-on and through AI.
Yeah.
That is the kind of
Good
projects.
idea.
So we will take them to 5 different international countries. They will go to different countries. They will go to Dubai, they will go to Columbia, they will go to various other universities. So in 3 years or 4 years, they will complete all this, and then they will come back to the country. So what will happen is that the students then get a feeling of a flavor of what is the cultural field, what do people and students over there
Yeah.
study, what do we do, and put the whole lot together. And this is exactly what we have as a
Good,
proposition.
ma'am. So, how you feel to attend this event, ma'am?
Oh, I feel wonderful. I think
Yeah.
it's absolutely an excellent this is occasion. We are very proud of it. We are very happy to be here with you.
All right, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Such a pleasure.